It really is the real deal, guys. All of these comments that I've been getting since people have been receiving their shipments are just positive. So many positive comments. I've had some guy that bought 5 of them for his family members, and everyone has loved them. So it does take a little bit to get it dialed in, but once you have it dialed in, this thing is awesome. It's easy to clean up. You throw it in the drawer when you don't need it. It doesn't take up any space on your counter. Yes, there are other devices that do the same thing, but this is fun. It's really fun to get it kind of dialed in and find out what you can make, how fast you can make it, and how easy cleanup is. If you ever have any questions, I am always here to help. I truly wish you nothing but the best. And thank you so much for trusting me. I appreciate it.